As Commander-in-Chief of the Army and Navy, I have directed that all measures be taken for our defense. But always will our whole nation remember the character of the onslaught against us.
Linked together in their cause and in their need. To defend to the death their native soil, aiding each other like good comrades to the utmost of their strength. We shall go on to the end. We shall fight in France. We shall fight on the seas and oceans. When Napoleon lay at Boulogne for a year with his flat-bottom boats and his grand army, he was told by someone there are bitter weeds in England.
Is it strange to dance so soon? I was dancing when I was 8.
Squeeze it out.
I was dancing when
I
I
come
was
in.
8.
Oh!
Is it strange to dance so late? Is it strange to dance?